8 wands streak diagonally across a clear blue sky, perfectly aligned and free of obstruction. Below them lie green hills, a winding river, and a distant dwelling touched by sunlight. The 8 of Wands is pure momentum, fire released from struggle, will transformed into swift, unhindered movement. The flying wands are the central symbol. Their parallel formation expresses coordinated intention and energy focused rather than scattered. In numerology, 8 signifies rhythm, flow, and movement born of mastery. These wands act like arrows of purpose, messages sent, actions initiated, progress accelerating. They are fire in flight, intention that has already become trajectory. The second symbol is the expansive blue sky, cloudless and clean. It represents clarity, openness, and the freedom that follows resolution. Where earlier cards were crowded with conflict, here there is spaciousness. The sky embodies mental and spiritual alignment, conditions in which effort no longer feels forced. When the inner world clears, outer events move with ease. The third symbol is the landscape below, fertile hills, a gentle river, and a small house or castle. This is the destination of the descending wands. Ideas landing in the material world. The green hills signify readiness. The river shows emotional flow harmonized with purpose. The home represents stability and integration. Energy is not merely accelerating, it is heading somewhere meaningful. The fourth symbol is the diagonal trajectory itself. Unique in the tarot, this downward sweep captures time and direction, the descent of spirit into matter, thought into action, vision into result. The wands travel from the unseen realm, upper left, toward manifestation, lower right. This geometry expresses dynamic change without turbulence, destiny unfolding through momentum rather than struggle. The fifth symbol is the absence of human figures. There is no rider, no defender, no rival, only movement. The absence is intentional. It signifies that the time for deliberation, conflict, or defense has passed. What has initiated earlier now moves of its own accord. The energy no longer needs to be pushed. It carries itself. Together, these symbols create a scene of swift, elegant resolution. The wands are focused intent, the sky, clarity, the land, destination, the diagonal sweep, manifestation, the absence of people, effortless flow. Fire has become motion, unburdened and precise. In readings, the 8 of Wands heralds rapid progress, communication, travel, or events unfolding faster than expected. Messages arrive, decisions crystallize, paths clear. It encourages trust in momentum. Allow the energy to carry you rather than resisting out of habit or fear. Its caution is haste. Movement must still align with purpose, not impulse. The 8 of Wands teaches that when intention, clarity, and timing unite, movement becomes grace.